Just want to do a quick video on Streamladder, tell you guys what I like about it. As you can see, I use it quite a lot. These little vertical columns right here, just one day, this how many clips I post in one day, and then these icons right here shows you which platforms they're going to. Post roughly 300 clips a month. So when I first start, I click on create new, vertical, upload from computer. See, I paired this with Streamlabs replay buffer, that way I get my clip. Once the clip is uploaded, we're gonna make some magic. But if we start off on a screen similar to this, I like to use the blurred, which shows up like it's showing up here. And
talk to me.
I add my crop, which is gonna be my face cam. As it leaves some room on the side for my logos. And since I've been doing this for a while, I already got everything where I want it to be. I like to have this right here. I like to add like a little CTA, telling people to support. Move it to the end, because it's a CTA, it's a call to action. Then come up with a title, caption. When I start, I kind of like to have like some part where he's eligible currently. That's the one. I think I want he got to score to cry though. Score to cry though. End it there. We don't need too much more after that. We need the caption. We're gonna call it easiest OT win ever. Position. Make sure it lasts throughout the whole clip. Let me see if he got the score to cry though. Next step, export. This is the part that I like the most, the scheduling feature. It already saves the time which the previous clip released. I just add an hour. Schedule. And since I've been working on this, I got that already set. I'm gonna ask a question. Once that's good, I like to copy paste. You don't like stuff like that too much. TikTok only allows 5 hashtags. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then schedule. That's simple.